Welcome to Nick's Sali channel. Like and hit notification bell for more updates. Welcome to Lapu-Lapu City. Lapu-Lapu City, officially the City of Lapu-Lapu, is a first-class highly urbanized city in the Central Visayas region of the Philippines. There is place and a history that diverse, dynamic, friendly, and pirate, vital, and special. In Lapu-Lapu City, free yourself from an ordinary as real charming for the greatness. With entertainment options limited to what the sea has to offer, the island is an ideal getaway from those wanting to escape the city. Lapu-Lapu City is beautiful. Welcome to the place of happiness. White sand beaches, come everyone, come to Lapu-Lapu. Lapu-Lapu City is memorable. Meaningful, Lapu-Lapu City is absolutely fun. Enjoy each moment and free yourself. The perfect island experience with the past should cherish. That must be celebrated. What are you waiting for? Come to Lapu-Lapu City. Free yourself to enjoy an amazing trip in Lapu-Lapu City. That's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.